Welcome back, students. So today we'll solve one more problem. I hope whatever we have discussed in the previous sessions, you have understood the problems or how to go and solve the problem. So today we'll solve one more problem of the same kind. Okay, so by now you should be very you'll be knowing the things, what kind of functions are one, what kind of functions are onto, and what is that particular reason so that the given function is one or onto. Okay, so show that, what is our today's question is, show that f from R to R given by f of x is equal to 1 plus x square is neither 1 nor onto. Okay, so here we have to show that this particular function is neither 1 nor onto, which means we have to find an example which says that which contradicts the definition of 1 and which contradicts the definition of onto. Okay, so they have given the function f from R to R, correct? The function is f from R to R. The function is mapped from real numbers to real numbers. The domain is real number, the codomain is also real number. Okay, and what is the function? F of x is equal to 1 plus x square. Okay, 1 plus x square. So before going into checking whether this particular function take an examples which is neither 1 nor onto, we'll see the general mapping. That is, we'll see this diagram and check what kind of numbers it will be. Okay, so to make the things easier, I'll take -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. Okay, so if what is f of -2? Here you'll have -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, what is f of -2? It is 1 plus -2 square. That is 1 plus -2 square is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay, because we have square, okay, because we have square in the function, whatever number you take, whether it is positive or negative, you'll get the output as positive. Okay, you will get the output of as positive because it is 1 plus x square. In case if it was 1 minus x square, then we had a slight chances of getting positive and negative. But one thing is, this is x square, so whatever number you take, it becomes positive, and we are adding it to something else. So obviously the things become a positive number. So what is -1? F of -1 is 1 plus -1 square, which is 2. 0 is 0. F of 1 is 2 and f of 2 is 5. So you can see that in the domain, if you take any number, positive or negative, the answer is mapped to positive. Okay, the answer is mapped to only positive numbers. In the same way, you can see that in the codomain, this is the codomain set, you can see that the negative numbers including 0 is not an image of any number. Correct, is not an image of any number. Just by the map only we can make out the example. Now you can see what is f of -2. F of -2 is 1 plus -2 square, which is 1 plus 4, which is equal to 5. Similarly, what is f of 2? F of 2 is 1 plus 2 square. 2 square is 4. So 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So you can see that f of -2 also gives the image 5. F of 2 also gives the image 5. So you can see that many elements are going to a single element. It is not one element going to one element. It is many element going to single element. So this is not a 1 function, not 1 since the given function is not 1 because f of -2 and f of 2 has same image, but 2 and -2 are two distinct elements. In order to be a function to be 1, distinct elements should go to distinct images. Here distinct elements are going to the same image. So this function is not 1. Now why it is not onto? Why it is not onto? Because if you see, you can see that the negative numbers, if you take any negative numbers, it is not the images. -1 belongs to the codomain. -1 belongs to the codomain. Here codomain is R, but it is not the image of any x that is in R, that is in domain. Okay, if you take, it's not only about -1, if you take any negative number including 0, it is not the image of any number in the domain. So in general we can write, what is the range over here? Range is nothing but positive real numbers. We'll get range as positive real numbers. But what is our codomain? Codomain is, what is our codomain? Codomain is set of real numbers. Whether positive real numbers is equal to real numbers? No. So this particular function is not onto. So if they have given you that, you have to show that this particular function is not 1, 1 and not onto. You have to first map the things. You have to first find few numbers. Okay, you have to take some examples and check what answers they are giving. So by that you will get the idea what kind of answers you are getting, so that you can check whether the function is onto or not. Similarly, you can see that whether the function is not 1, 1 or not. So today I will give you an example. I will give you a homework question also. So the question is same. The range and domain and codomain are same. So the question is, you have to check whether the given function f from R to R given by f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x is 1, 1 or onto. You have to check whether this particular function is 1, 1 or onto. This is similar. If you see, when you have check, go for the mapping. First find out the numbers. If you can see there is a bit, you can see that the 1, 1 function is happening, then write the general form, that is the function is 1, 1 because f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies what is f of x1? 3 minus 4x1 is equal to 3 minus 4x2, and get the thing x1 is equal to x2. If you are getting x1 is equal to x2, then you can say that the given function is 1, 1. Whenever they say you have to check a given function is 1, 1 or onto, go for the general form. That is, you have for 1, 1 function, for f is 1, 1, what you have to do? You have to take two elements from the domain, two distinct elements, two elements from the domain, and you have to assume f of x1 is equal to f of x2, and write what is f of x1, what is f of x2. If in case somewhere you will get x1 is equal to x2, then you can conclude that the given function is 1, 1. Okay, otherwise suppose you will get x1 plus x2 plus 3, something like that, then you can see that it is not 1, 1 because we did not get x1 is equal to x2. So the given function is not 1, 1. Okay, whenever you have check a thing. Okay, for onto, what you have to write? You have to write we'll take a y from the codomain. Okay, we'll take a y from the codomain, and we'll find we'll assume that there exists x belonging to R such that f of x is equal to y. You find the value of x, check whether that x belongs to the domain. If in case it belongs to the domain, then that particular function is onto. If not, you can say it is not onto. Okay, I hope you are clear. The question is, you have to check whether the given function f from R to R given by f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x is 1, 1 or onto. Thank you, students.